All right, I'm gonna attempt to play some fetch with Cody, even though he's blind. He can't really see at all, so he's just gotta listen to it bounce and then smell from there until he finds it. So let's see how he does. Ready? Retrieve. You were so close, bro. Oh, he's gotta pee. Let's see if he eventually finds it. He's going the right way. Oh, how do you not smell it? Oh, he's onto it. Hey. Oh boy, good job. That was a tough one. Ready? Retrieve. He gets close by listening to it and then he sniffs around. Isn't that cool? All right, good boy.